All right. Well, hello, YouTube. Williams, Philippines. It is about 2:15 p.m. on Tuesday afternoon, uh, December 17th, 2024. It has been a long day. Uh, okay. 22 work crew rooms, and there was a wall of people. We almost sold out too. So there's another wall of people. And yeah, I had like 5 checkouts before breakfast. Yay. And literally got back here about an hour ago from running around doing things. Confirmed getting my spark plugs in the coil done tomorrow after I get done with the doctor for my eye. So, yay. And it's 2:15 and I'm just now getting to get my clothes put up. I still haven't made the bed yet. I'm tired. Yeah. It's a good thing, though. Yeah, I want to go to sleep. And tomorrow I get to jump up and run over and do the eye doctor and then go get the car done, leave the car, walk back here. It's that close, about a mile. Get my exercise in on top of, oh yeah, having a bunch of work crew in. Whee! Bit on the tired and wiped out side today, so this is going to be pretty short. I'm up to 235 subscribers. Thank you very much. Let's see. Yeah, one of them was a lady that had 6 videos. I don't remember her name. I can tell you, I saw it just 10 minutes ago, and I don't remember it. I'm tired. And what I really want to do is go find a pine tree and scratch my back on it. Yeah, I said that. Go scratch my back, because today it's itching. It is what it is. Yes, I have a bear effect. I want to go scratch my back like a bear. It is what it is. Anyway, yeah, I wish I'd have got that done yesterday, the laundry done, but ran out of time yesterday, and as it was, I ran out of time again today. Oh, yay. Boss grumbled about me wearing a black t-shirt. I told him, hey, yesterday was laundry day. I was going to try to do it, but it didn't happen. Pointed at my car and said, look, it's in the back end. He said, yeah. He just looked at me, shook his head. What can he say? What can I say? Anyway, it was a good day at work. Boss is happy. Our numbers are trying to get back up where they belong. So, yay. And that's a good thing. What else was there? Oh, yeah. I was looking at a couple of videos, and yeah, there's some folks that are already setting up for the live stream on Christmas. I don't know. Christmas Eve, Christmas Day, what? I was too cross-eyed to try to really look at it. But it is what it is. I'll see. If I can, I may try to actually watch it. If not, well, this is a busy time of year. I'm okay with that. I just wish sometimes it wasn't so busy. But then I realize, hey, we're alive. It's good to be busy. It's a clear sign you're not dead. And quite honestly, if nothing else, we won the race by 6 foot. We are above ground. It's a good day. Yeah. I don't know about y'all, but I hate laundry days. Because no matter what, you still got dirty clothes, dirty laundry. Unless you're going to climb in the washing machine with it. Although I've seen some people try to do something similar to that. It is what it is. It's amazing some of the things that happen in this world nowadays. Yeah, I wanted to just come home and go straight to sleep today. See how that worked out. But I did get over and confirm for tomorrow, and we're going to, like I say, try to get that over there, get it took care of after I get back from the doctor's office. So hopefully it won't be too bad. Just swing by, drop it off, walk home. Who knows? If I'm as tired as I am tomorrow or as I am right now, I might just curl up in the back seat and let him work on it while I snore. What? You never slept in a car while somebody was working on it? I have before. It's one of those things. It's kind of like, mowing lawns. Nowadays, if a child that's 8 years old was out mowing a lawn, somebody would be calling the cops about child abuse. Quite honestly, I think somebody should be calling the cop for idiots, being idiot abuse, or abusing people's tolerance to idiots. Yeah, something like that. I don't know. Might be why we have kids that don't know how to work anymore. Anyway, I'm tired. So this is going to be it. This is Williams Philippines. Please hit the like, comment, and subscribe. I hope you have a blessed week. Lots of friends, food, and family. And well, hey, I'm Fish, and Fish is out.